We are pleased to show you the 2017 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.